I can multiply double-digit numbers. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to multiply double-digit numbers using the box method. Steps to multiplying double-digit numbers. Step 1, write the numbers. Step 2, expand the numbers. Step 3, put the numbers by their boxes. Step 4, multiply in the boxes. And step 5, add the answers from your multiplication problems together. Example 1, 78 times 19. Step 1, we write the letters over our multiplication problem. Step 2, we expand the numbers. In step 3, we will make the boxes. Since there are 4 parts, we will write 4 boxes. Step 4, put the numbers by their boxes. During this part, our first number goes on top, and our second number goes on the side. Step 5, we will multiply inside the boxes. This is why it's called the box method. We multiply inside the boxes. And finally, step 6, we add all of our answers together. So we would put 70 plus 80 plus 630 plus 72 to get the answer of 852. Alright, so this is time for us to do a redo example. What this means is that I'll show you how. You can go ahead if you want to, and I expect for either way for you to write down your answers on the paper. Our example is 73 times 65. Step 1, pretty simple. We write the letters. So we write the letters, we need to expand the numbers. So I show my 5s here because it's a 1, plus my 10s, which is 60. For the second number, I would do 70 plus 3 Then it's time for us to make the boxes. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, so I know there will be 4 boxes. Draw one box, just like before. Then I just go ahead and draw that straight line down there, make another box, so that there's 4 boxes that look kind of like a flag. Give you a second or two to get caught up if you need it. If not, thank you for being patient. Step 4, almost done. Put the numbers by their boxes. The numbers we will put are our expanded numbers. Expanded number 70, the number 3, the number 60, the number 5. First number goes on top. 70 and 3. Which means our second numbers 60 and 5 will go on the side. $60 plus 5 straight up and down and on the side. Step 5, 2 more steps to go. Multiply inside the boxes. Don't worry too much about these pluses. The plus signs only tell us that we have got parts that are split up. We are not going to add 70 plus 3. We are not going to add 60 plus 5. In the boxes, we are going to multiply. That's why it's called the box method. Inside the box method, we multiply. Little trick that we do is going to be top number times the side number. So I wrote 70 because 70 is on top times my side number. I wrote 3 on top times 60. The top number times the side number. Then I will take the top number times the side number. We'll go all the way from the top, put it with my side number. So 70 times 5. We multiply inside the boxes. And lastly, top number 3 times our side number 5. And I do this in our last box right here. I'm going too fast. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to get caught up here in about 10 seconds. Great job so far. We're ready for our last part, adding the multiplication answers together. So I see that 70 times 60 is 420. 3 times 60 is 180. 70 times 5 is 350. 3 times 5 is 15. Take all those answers. Answer number 1, 420. Answer number 2, 180. Answer number 3, 350. answer number 415, and I add them together. Now this is the part where some people get confused too. Inside the boxes, we only ever multiply. We add our numbers together, just kind of somewhere out here outside the boxes. Doesn't really matter where. It's a separate step. Inside the boxes, we multiply. Outside the boxes, we add. And one more hint for you. You don't have to do this, but one thing that helps me a lot is to draw some straight lines so I can keep track of my numbers, keep track of my digits, make adding a lot easier. I look to my first number, 420, and again, outside the box, I add my next number, which is 180. I got that from the multiplication answer in the box. Look over here, 350. And even teachers make mistakes sometimes. I'm gonna get rid of this here for a second. It's okay if you make mistakes. That's what erasers were made for. And my last answer is 15. Adding this all together, 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 8 more 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 2 more, 14, 15. I carry my 1. My answer is 855. Oops, sorry. Actually, 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. So it would be 900. Again, this is what could happen to you if you go too fast. If it could happen to Miss McDonald, it could happen to you. 955. Give you a second or 12 to get that caught up. Then we're on to our last example. Alright, we're on to our last example. Example number 3. Example number 3, we will do it, so you will get some help from me, but we're going to go a lot faster. So, step 1, write the letters. Don't worry, you'll have time at the end to get caught up. Step 2, expand the numbers. Step 3, we make the boxes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after we expanded. So I will make 4 boxes. Make sure you're following along on your paper. Pause as you need to. Step 5, put the numbers by their boxes. First number goes on top. Second number goes on the side. Step 6, multiply in the boxes. We go top times side, 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 top times side. One more time, top times side, top times side. Next step, I'm going to use the answers I just got from the multiplication problems, and I'm going to add them together. One more time, I'm going to take the answers from my multiplication problems and add them together. I'm going to draw my lines to keep my numbers straight. This will help me to add better. Hope it helps you too. First number, 200 plus 80 plus 50 plus 20. And our final answer is 350. Take as much time as you need to get copied down. You're doing awesome. Alright, your turn. You can do this. You'll have the slides up here to help you, and you can go back and review any of the notes that you need. But real quick, the steps. Write the letters over the number. Expand the numbers. Make the boxes. There will be 4 boxes. Put the numbers by their boxes. The first number will go on top. The second number will go on the side. Multiply in the boxes. Do not add. Multiply in the boxes. Then finally, outside of the boxes, you will add the multiplication answers together. There you go. Do the best you can do. If you don't get it done today, we'll get it done tomorrow. I'm proud of you, and keep up the good, hard work.